Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and find out and talk about how you can actually use artificial intelligence in developing your actual dropshipping store. Remember, guys, we're living in a time and age where the internet and the AI are taking over, and we need to use this power to get that competitive advantage back in the industry. So I'm going to show you step by step exactly what you need to do to find the right product to sell onto your Shopify and start a dropshipping business in the successful manner. And if you stick around till the end, you'll know exactly how to execute this strategy. And if you still have any questions, you can always ask them in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and to guide you. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, obviously, the place that you need to head over first is shopify.com, the global e-commerce platform that is there to help you build your business to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. You can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. With availability in 170 countries and a global economic activity of $444 billion, you can easily build a store your way and build an online store and bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator, and craft the brand that you want and select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can level up with the apps and add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the app that is built to trusted Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere, and obviously with the best converting checkout on the planet and a flexible point of sale to power your retail store from the first channel to the full funnel. Reach new leads, engage with customers and data that you can actually build on, and streamline your back office by managing inventories, tracking payments, and viewing real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business and get your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management, streamlined returns, and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network. So manage your business finance all from one place with money management and flexible funding designs with entrepreneurs in mind. If you don't have an account, guys, don't worry. All you need to do is click on start the free trial and you can set up a free account. And after setting it up, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your content, your analytics, your marketing, and your discounts. Now, if you click on the products over here, you can add as many products as you want. Now, once we click on add the product, what happens is that you would need to actually select and add a title, put a description, put the media for that particular product, and the price that needs to be sold for. Now, how do you do that? How do you select a product that breaks through the limitations of age, of gender, and find a product that actually sells? What we need to do is head over to this platform called ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is an AI that has the capacity to give you and help you with the research. There's no need to find an individual and pay an individual to do a research for you. There's no need to find someone that can write a description for you. There's no need to find someone that can do the search engine optimization for you. And there's no need to actually get someone to manage your store for you. You can do all of that from the comfort of your home by using ChatGPT. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us some ideas of products for dropshipping. Now, once we ask that question, it's going to give us some ideas for products that it considers for dropshipping. It could be fitness and wellness products such as yoga mats, resistant bats, and obviously pet supplies or beauty and personal care, home decor, electronics and gadgets, outdoors and camping, fashion accessories, baby and children, and kitchen or sports and hobbies like fishing gear, hunting accessories, and musical instruments. Now, the thing that I personally feel that we need to select from any of these 10 is because it has done intensive research before selecting it. So let's go ahead and select number 5 right in the middle, electronics and gadgets such as phone cases, headphones, smartwatches, portable chargers. Now, I think portable chargers is an interesting element over here. So let's select this from here. And then we're going to ask, where can we find portable chargers to buy? Now, once we ask that question, what AI is going to do now is it's going to research everywhere that they can find the best portable chargers for us to get. And this is the thing that I really feel makes AI stand out, because it understands the different marketplaces that are available and it want to give us the proper information from where we can actually buy and get these particular products. It could be on Amazon. Now, Amazon, we all know, is a well-known online retailer that sells a wide range of products, which include the portable charger, guys. But let's say we want more than that. So AI is going to do for us something that we would actually have to hire someone, pay a huge salary to them to find the product in the right place. And that's one of the reasons I personally believe that AI is one of the greatest inventions of today's time and period, because what it does is something very unique. It researches for us everything without us going and spending hours and hours of finding the right product, because we can ask the right question, get the right answer, and follow the instruction that it gives us. Now, I personally believe one of the greatest things when you combine all those elements together is finding the possibility of the right product in the right place. Now, as you can see, it has given us Amazon, it has given us Best Buy. Now, Best Buy is a popular electronic retailer that actually sells portable chargers both online and in their brick and mortar. Now, you can go to Walmart as well. Walmart is another well-known retailer that sells portable chargers online and in store. And even more than that, you can get it at Target as well. Now, one of the things I always believe that AI really needs to keep in mind whenever they want to give you some information is the fact that you also need to do a little bit of research yourself. Now, I personally believe that if you use this methodology in the right way, combined with the element of human intervention, you can actually enhance your ability to find the right product in the right places. Now, once AI gives you all these elements to actually find, you can easily check out the element that you want to make sure that you want to get. So we're going to ask one more questions to make sure that we're on the right track, because I personally believe that experience is one of the core elements that really makes a difference and gives you that competitive advantage. We're going to ask AI if it is available on AliExpress. Now, the reason why I did that is, guys, because I understand and I have done my own research in every single one of these elements. And I'm asking this particular questions to understand what kind of methodology is available. Now, if you look at the response that ChatGPT is going to give, is something very interesting. It's going to say, yes, portable chargers are available on AliExpress, and AliExpress is an online marketplace that connects international sellers with buyers all over the place, and they offer a wide selection of portable chargers at competitive prices. The element over here that we need to understand is the competitive price, because you want to make sure that you get a competitive price, because we're actually selling it as a drop shipper. So we want to get it as cheap as possible and increase the price as much as we can to make a healthy profit of it. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to head over to AliExpress, and once we head over to AliExpress, we're going to check out that if this is true or not. So we're going to search for portable chargers, and once we click on enter and check out these portable chargers, we'll be able to see if this is true or not. Now, if you can have a look right now, you have 1,000 portable mobile USB chargers that are sold for 77 cents. If you scroll down, you'll see another 1,000 sold for $31.99 that have been sold. You have another one that's being sold for $2.63, and 1,000 have been sold. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different elements that are available that are being sold at this moment in time. These are portable chargers that are being sold for prices that are competitive, prices that we can actually use, prices that we can sell this particular product for. So let's scroll up over here and select one particular product. Now, I personally believe that this is a very good product over here. It's been selling for 77 cents, not even $1, and they have sold already more than 1,000. It has 312 reviews right now. You have the full description, you have the full information over here. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to head back to our Shopify account, and now we need to get a title. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a product title for portable chargers. Now, the thing over here that really makes ChatGPT stand out is it's going to give us a couple of different elements that are available that we can use. And this is where the search engine optimization takes place, because what it does now is that it researches intensively and finds the right element for us to use. And that is one of those things that really makes it stand out. So we're going to select this one over here. And once we select it, we're just going to copy paste it from here and put it as our description onto our Shopify account. So let's close this, and we're going to add the title. So this is a title. Now we need a description. So we're going to say, give us a product description for the ultra slim power bank with 10,000 mAh capacity and fast charging. Now, as you can see, they have done it again, because they have gone and grabbed this information in less than 10 minutes. We found a product, we found a niche, we got the title, and we've got the description for it that has a proper SEO done for it. So all we need to do is copy this from here. And once we copy it from here, we're going to head back to our site over here and add it onto our Shopify account. So as you can see, we got the title, we got the description. We can easily get the pictures from here, and then we can add them onto our Shopify account on the media. And now we want the pricing. We're going to ask, give us the average price to sell. Now, once we do that, it's going to research and give us the average price that this product is being sold on based on market research. So between $20 to $40 people are buying this particular product. How much is it selling on right now? 77 cents. So let's go right bang in the middle and say $35. So we're going to add $35 over here. And that is it, guys. Now we have a product, the price, the description, and the title. And you can research and find as many products as you want by using ChatGPT and start selling them the way that you want. It is as simple, straightforward, easy as that. If you got any question, you can always ask me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.